Welcome to Mary's Creative Decor and Furniture Redesign. We're going to start our project today with this wire square wreath. It is from the Dollar Tree. I have my gems here. I have the large gem and I have my small gem. The larger gem is left over from another project and they came from Amazon, and my smaller gem is from the Dollar Tree. I have my Rust-Oleum silver metallic paint, my hot glue gun, and I also have my Gorilla Glue we'll be using today. So let's not waste any time. I'm going to take my silver metallic paint and my wreath outside and spray paint it, and I'll be back. My wreath is dry and I'm back to do a layout starting with my larger gems. I have not that many, so I want to make sure that wherever I put them will be similar on all sides. Now that I have my layout, I'm going to take my larger gems with my Gorilla Glue and glue them to the wreath. I'm using 4 on all sides and 1 in the corner of each end. As you can see, it's proven quite challenging to get the gem in the corner, so I'm going to add a little hot glue to hold it in place. The next step is to glue the small gems together by 2. To do this, I'm taking a small bead of glue to attach them together. Now that they're attached, I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue to glue them to the wreath. Now that I have them all filled in, I'm going to go back to the corners. I'm going to put a bead of glue on each of the gems that's already down and add 1 in between to fill in the corners. I'm going to continue adding single beads to fill in any openings. Then I'm going to let it dry, flip it over, and we'll come back and I'll show you how to reinforce the backside. It is the next day. My wreath is dry. Now I'm using my hot glue gun with a clear glue stick, and I am just reinforcing all the seams or each of the crystals or gems on the back side. Now I'm back with my hair dryer. I want to put it on high heat, and I just want to blow it across the back side of my wreath. I'm doing this to loosen up some of the glue strings that's on the back side. Now it's time to dress up my wreath. I used some leftover ribbon and I made a bow. I didn't have any floral wire, so believe it or not, I used the tie from a loaf of bread to tie off my bow. I added another one to give me a little extra room. I'll take that and I'll weave it through my wreath to tie it off. Now I made a bow. You can also add a floral arrangement to it. You can do whatever it is that you like. You can even add more color if you wanted to, or you can just keep it simple like I did with this one. I'm going to finish up here and we'll come back with the wreath on display. I am back and my wreath is complete. I have it hanging here on the bedroom door. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the crystals and how clear they are. That's why it's so important that you use a glue that will dry completely clear. And now here I have it hanging yet in another direction. You can hang it in the diamond shape or you can hang it in the square shape. Absolutely beautiful. And here it is on the front door. Now the front door is red, so you can see the red shining through. Now all of these gems was left over from another project, and here's a look at the other one that I created for my front door. Here I had gold underneath to pop out. Now under the one that I did today, of course it's just plain because it's not for me. And here I added a paper flower to the front of the wreath just to show another look. Tell me, which one do you like best? So if you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do. You want to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll be aware of all of my upcoming videos. Let me say thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless I'll see you in the next one. Bye.